Papa John's announcing some staggering new numbers this morning. Comparable store sales, ready for this, for the month of May are up more than 33% in North America. That's after being up 27% in April. It all adds up to the two best months in the company's history. And for more on where we are and where we're going, we're joined by Bob Lynch, President and CEO of Papa John's International. Good morning to you. It was a remarkable 2 months, and in large part, given this pandemic. I think the real question I'd ask you as someone who's running a business is, I think you were a beneficiary, I hate to say it, of the pandemic. And the question really is this just pulled forward, or how do you sustain this kind of momentum as a business?
Hi, thanks for having me on today. The results that we've shown in the second quarter have really been built on a foundation that we were building in the first quarter before the pandemic hit. We were up over 7% heading into March when coronavirus impacted our sales negatively for the back half of March, taking our same-store sales down to about 5% for the quarter. So we were already on a good track. We had built a lot of new innovation that we had launched in February. We had gotten a lot of things turned around on our advertising, our marketing, our media spends. So a lot of foundational things were put in place. And, we reacted to the pandemic in, I think, a really strong way. Our team came together across the company with our franchisees, and we put a plan in place because it was really important for us to be able to support our communities by, through our model, which is all about delivery and takeout. We had seen the pandemic sweeping across Asia and into Europe, and we knew what it looked like. We knew what in the markets where we were allowed to operate, the kind of performance we needed to deliver to make sure that we were able to meet the need for safe, high quality food. And so we built that. We launched no contact delivery in late March. We started communicating with our customers, sharing with them that they could order our high quality, safe food delivered with no contact directly to their homes. And we think that's made a big difference. But we see this sales trend, we see this performance that it's going to be sustainable. We're seeing markets that are opening up in the States, different, Tennessee, Texas, Georgia. We saw very strong performance in May, despite the fact that, they created a little bit of leniency in their quarantining rules. So we think this is going to stick around long after coronavirus.
Well, the question I was going to ask you, in states where there has been a little bit of reopening, have you even seen a shift in terms of the mix, pickup versus delivery, for example, things like that?
No, you know what? It's interesting. We haven't seen that much of a shift even during coronavirus in most states. Obviously, in New York and some of these other very high impact states and cities, we have seen, delivery go to, upwards of 90%. But in a lot of states, people have still left their homes to come and pick it up because they wanted that ability to control, their how they receive the food. But since the opening up and like I said, in Georgia, Tennessee, Dallas, Nashville, Atlanta are growing as faster in May as they were in April. So we think that there is going to be a tail to this. We do think that there's going to be a delay in consumer behavior, wanting to go back out for dinner, sit-down dinners, and we're going to be able to benefit from that. But like I said, I think the foundation of this sales growth is really grounded in our innovation, launching new products. We've created a strong loyalty program over the last year that's having a big impact. And then our partnership with the aggregators has really been strong for us as well. We're seeing a lot of incremental new customers coming in through those channels.